Jay picked up his phone the moment he woke up. He did not put it down all day. Jay decided to quit completely. He deleted every app. On the first day, he felt anxious. On the second day, he put everything back. Why can't I control this? Why is this so hard? Deep inside, Jay knew the truth. Quitting everything at once was too big a step. One night, Jay read a short sentence online.
"5 minutes. Just 5 minutes offline."
The next morning, Jay went offline for just 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. It felt easy. So he did it again the next day, and the next. After 2 weeks, he did not stop. For the first time, Jay was consistent. It's only 5 minutes. One month later, Jay's mind felt clearer. His 5 minutes had grown on its own. Reading, walking, simply looking outside. Step by step. No pressure, just presence.
We're having a game night tonight. No phones allowed. Want to come?
Sounds fun, I'm in.
Great, let's play.
Perfect.
Okay, I'll try.
At first, Jay felt strange without his phone. But soon, he forgot to check it at all. Big habits can feel impossible to break all at once. But small steps are easy and possible. 5 minutes offline, repeated every day, becomes a clearer mind and a fuller life. If you want to change your life, do not wait for the perfect moment. Just go offline for 5 minutes today.